Hello, my name is Janilo C. Impalmado Jr. I am a grade 12 student currently enrolled in St. John Bosco Parish National High School. I am dedicated to my studies and strive to excel all my subjects. I actively participate in extracurricular activities which help me develop a well-rounded skill set. I am passionate about learning and look forward to the opportunities that lie ahead in my educational journey. I believe that education is the key to a brighter future, and I am committed to making the most of the time in school. I enjoy collaborating with my classmates on projects and value the friendships I've made along the way. Outside of school, I have a keen interest in a shielded metal arc welding or SMAW, commonly known as stick welding. These hands-on skills allow me to work with metals and create strong, durable joints. I find the process fascinating as it involves using a flux-coated electrode to join metals together through an electric arc. The versatility of SMAW enables me to work on various projects from repairs to construction, and I look forward to further developing my skills in this area. I am excited about the possibilities that lie ahead, and I am determined to make the most of my senior year. That's all. Thank you.